dust on the section line road like the flowers spilled on the kitchen floor. It ain't rained since early spring. 130 days or more. That little pond at the foot of the hill that was drier than a July wind. Loaded up the cows and we took 'em to town, brought nothing. Took 'em home again. It was dry in 1930, dry in 36 too. Don't need a New Deal handout, little rain will do. Grandpa sat beneath the shade of the tree, pulled out his watch and looked at the sky. Wondered out loud if it would ever rain. Can't remember if it was ever this dry. Looked at his wife and his dusty kids, pondered the fate of the farming man. Make a crop and it ain't worth nothing. Next year the weather gets you again. It was dry in 1930, dry in 36 too. Don't need a New Deal handout, little rain will do. Well, he told me, son, you better tend to your business. Don't go drinking, acting a fool. Spent the best years of my life looking at the back end of a mule. Told me once you better get you some schooling. Can't make it by the sleight of hand. But remember where you were raised, boy. Keep it tied to the land. It was dry in 1930, dry in 36 too. Don't need a New Deal handout, little rain will do. There was powder dust on the section line road like the flowers spilled on the kitchen floor. It ain't rained since early spring, 130 days or more. That little pond at the foot of the hill that was drier than a July wind. Loaded up the cows and we took 'em to town, brought nothing. Took 'em home again. It was dry in 1930, dry in 36 too. Don't need a New Deal handout, little rain will do. I don't need a New Deal handout, little rain will do.